Tonight I'm working on a Texas winter landscape. So, like Central Texas, not snow. I mean, not usually. So, all I've done so far is I painted a wash of yellow ochre. Just whoosh, 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 any old way yellow ochre. Very thin coat. And then I painted a wash in the sky, and the colors I used in the sky were sky blue mixed with black, which I sort of makes a sky bluish gray. It's a winter day, you know, cloudy. Anyway, it's a square painting. Unusual for me, but hey, there's a square show in Bastrop, so we'll try it. Now I'm going to start working on the rest of it. The design of the painting is a fence line that goes like this. One single winter tree with the leaves falling off, old pecans. A few trees way in the distance along the skyline. And a little white house up there on the hill. Maybe a barn. We'll see. Okay, and that's it. That's all there is to the design. There's not a lot. Of course, I'm going to be painting a lot of weeds and stuff over this area here. The field that has turned brown. And the colors I'm going to be using are just black and burnt sienna and burnt umber. And perhaps a little extra yellow ochre. And some Van Dyke brown. Very, very dark brown. And that's it. Well, what happened is, I thought I pressed the button on the camera when I painted in all this grass and fence there by the fence, but either I didn't push it or the camera shut itself off. So there you go. I kind of just painted in with burnt sienna and a little bit of yellow ochre and a little bit of burnt umber, and made some weeds there standing up. And I put this kind of dry brush stuff in here. And then I made a top line of barbed wire on the fence, not knowing that the camera was not catching this. Anyway, so this time I'll make sure the camera is on. I still have to do the rest of this field and part of this field and that kind of dry brush stuff. And there's a lot more to do. Anyway, hopefully the camera will be on and catch it. Okay. Once again, the video camera did not stay on when I turned it on. Anyway, here's the final painting. And all I did since the last time you saw it was I put those trees in. on the horizon line and the lone pecan tree in the front. So this is what the painting looks like finished. It's just a matter of drawing lines. Drawing a tree is drawing lines. And there you go. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.